Hey guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Alyssa Marie and I just have some really exciting news to share with you guys today. So I am super excited and honored to announce that I am an official ambassador for Curls-AuNaturel. I am so excited. Okay, so Curls-AuNaturel is a platform that is all about the Black community. So they obviously play a huge role in the natural hair community, and their whole mission is to just get Black women to embrace their natural hair and to just love themselves for who they naturally are. And that just makes me so excited because that has been what I've stood for since day one. And so I think this partnership is going to be absolutely amazing. I am so looking forward to this collaboration. I'm going to be sharing it all, okay? I'm going to be getting real about my natural hair journey and how I felt and how I feel now about my big chop. I'm going to be sharing how I like to care for and style my short natural hair. Like, it's going to be amazing, and I am just super excited about this entire thing. So I just wanted to jump on here and quickly announce that. I'm really looking forward to being a part of such a great initiative. You know I'm here for the natural hair. Okay, hashtag Team Natural. But yeah, stay tuned for some upcoming videos in partnership with Curls-AuNaturel. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!